morning. I'm Roger Angrita, and I'm Bluebeam's Chief Product Officer. I'd like to welcome you back for day 2 of XCON. Yesterday was packed with such great content. I know I love seeing the ingenuity of our customers in everything from generating bids to preparing documents and managing 3D PDFs. I'm constantly impressed with the way you leverage our software each and every day. As such, it goes without saying that I'm very excited to show you where we are today and the vision for where we're taking Bluebeam into the future. Now, as we think about our future, we are led by our customers, their needs, and the changing built environment that John, Matt, and Stacy discussed yesterday. The built world is changing and changing rapidly, and we know that leaning on new technology and innovation is critical to changing the lives of those that build our world. To that end, we're focusing our future on what's driving our customers' present and near-term needs. You need access to your work, documents, and project data from the office, in the field, trailer, or even at home. The key is mobility and your ability to securely access that information from anywhere that you do work. While you need access to your work, documents, and data, it must be handled securely and accurately. Data from a project is just data, but making it accessible, reportable, secure, and compliant is the key to making data valuable and insightful. Lastly, you need open standards where solutions, regardless of the solution provider, are inherently interoperable and interconnected. As Stacy mentioned yesterday, we know you use more than Bluebeam Review out there, and we want to make sure that your information and your work can flow through your solutions seamlessly. This is why our plan is to make our solutions more data-centric and interoperable. Interoperable with third-party partner solutions and with every new solution we develop alongside all of you, our customers. We are well known for markups and collaboration, and we see those as foundational building blocks to everything we do moving forward. Our goal is to make the markup a living markup, to unlock the value behind it, to expand your ability to leverage our strengths wherever you do work, on your computer, web browser, or mobile device. We're transforming our solutions to give you more options and more utility, and it starts with Bluebeam Review. In addition to Review, we plan to build solutions that seamlessly connect to Review and unlock customers' data and documents with open standards, insights, and integration in mind. Each of these new solutions in Bluebeam Cloud will be interconnected to Bluebeam Review, our flagship project efficiency and collaboration application. So our solutions complement each other, continue customer workflows, and are easy for our customers to pick up, use, and adopt with little training. With our next version of Review available in the first half of 2022, you will see easier access to your work. You will see more mobility with a seamless connection to Bluebeam Cloud solutions, and greater security with the introduction of single sign-on. For a more cohesive and powerful experience, Bluebeam Cloud seamlessly connects with the Review you know and love today to remove data silos and improve productivity in the office and in the field. With Bluebeam Cloud and Review working hand in hand, you can easily collaborate and complete end-to-end workflows whenever you do work. Next, we're going to walk you through at a high level a scenario that illustrates just how Review and Studio will work with our new solutions in Bluebeam Cloud. Let's check in with Peter.
Thanks, Roger. As Roger showed, we are bringing the core markup and collaboration capabilities of Bluebeam Review into Bluebeam Cloud. Let's take a look at a real scenario that starts in the office using Review and seamlessly transitions to the field with our new cloud-based solutions. Our story begins in the office, where a project manager needs a secure and efficient solution to collaborate with key stakeholders on an upcoming tenant improvement project. With the next version of Review, our project manager can securely sign into Review on any computer using single sign-on, which reduces the overhead and inconvenience of maintaining multiple logins. With SSO, companies using our solutions are now in complete control over password and authentication requirements to keep their data secure, minimize risk, and provide convenience for all users across their organization. Once logged in, our project manager receives a drawing set from the architect and needs to get the documents ready for a constructability review. With Review, he can easily set up the documents and prepare them for effective collaboration with key stakeholders, saving valuable time. He takes these drawings and brings them into a Studio project, our centralized location to store documents in the cloud. He then invites the project engineer to help prepare the set so that the team can effectively collaborate. For example, they can use features such as AutoMark and BatchLink to create bookmarks and hyperlinks to ensure that the set can be easily navigated. Now that the files are prepared, our PM creates a studio session directly from the studio project to facilitate that constructability review. Studio sessions allow teams to collaborate in real time, leveraging our powerful markup tools, which can help avoid costly communication breakdowns and silos. This is even more important today, with teams working remotely and across multiple locations. The reviewers harness the power of Review's markup tools, including the tool chest, to create standardized markups that allow them to easily communicate with the team so that questions and changes are well understood. With the next version of Review, teams will be able to access their custom toolsets, regardless of which computer they use to log into their studio session. Finally, the team leverages markup statuses in the markup list to track comments and ensure issues are accurately recorded. Once the review is complete, the design team incorporates the feedback and issues a new drawing set. Now the documents are ready to be shared with the field team. With Bluebeam Cloud, the PM can seamlessly move the work into the field, ensuring all critical project information is accessible, regardless of location, keeping data flowing with teams using the most current set of documents. Now, let's check in with Jeanette to continue the story in the field.
Thank you, Peter. At the tenant improvement job site, the field project manager also needs a mobile, easy-to-use solution to collaborate with stakeholders and complete entire workflows from anywhere. With very little time to devote to project setup and training the field on a new system, she selects Bluebeam Cloud for the team to access, mark up, and complete entire workflows on the go. This allows them to consolidate their tech stack by using a solution that works in the office, trailer, and in the field. The field PM sets up the project within a few minutes by uploading the drawings directly from the studio project. The team leverages our map functionality to visualize, connect, and organize information so they get the insights they need. Now that the construction drawings are uploaded, the PM invites trade partners to access drawings and documents in Bluebeam Cloud, where they can quickly view, mark up, and collaborate from any location. Subs can even use their existing tool sets from Review to place markups and comments on documents to ask questions, ensuring consistency and saving time. Bluebeam Cloud ensures clear, swift communication and maximizes productivity from the office to the field. To keep the PM at the office informed, the field PM can easily sync the drawings and documents back to studio, ensuring that there's a single source of truth. As the project reaches the final stages of construction, the team is now ready for the punch walk. The architect, project engineer, and trade partners can save time and ensure accountability for resolving punch items, such as this missing cover plate. The team can use our Bluebeam Cloud Field solution to complete the process from beginning to end, regardless of where they are. Bluebeam Cloud leverages spaces generated by Review. This allows the team to record punch issues in the field without the extra time spent filling out each room name, and ensures room name and numbers are consistent with the drawings. As items are completed in the field, the trade partners continue to update the punch status and add comments or photos of the completed work. Once the items are ready for back check, the architect uses the map view to get situational awareness for locating and verifying that the work has been completed. Our solutions work with other leading AEC providers to enable the choice and flexibility you need to create custom workflows that best meet your needs, driving project efficiency. Imagine the power of connecting Bluebeam Cloud with something like Reconstruct, the AI-powered remote quality control application that Stacy mentioned yesterday. You could better visualize information and ensure quality without needing to be on the job site. The architect could verify that punch items have been completed during back check remotely. Each item in the punch list would be checked against the work done and closed in Reconstruct. Once the back check is complete, all status changes would automatically be reflected in Bluebeam Cloud. Now back to Peter to show how all the work done in the field with our new cloud-based solution is connected to Review and Studio for a seamless experience, ensuring continuity of information needed to avoid costly rework.
Thanks, Jeanette. Back in the office, the PM relies on our comprehensive solution to capture project data and share progress updates with key stakeholders. All information captured in the field and stored in Bluebeam Cloud is now accessible in Review, giving the PM an accurate view of the status and progress of the project. Having all data contained in the same ecosystem allows the PM to confidently share project reports with key stakeholders without having to search for information in multiple separate systems. To wrap up, let's go back to Roger.
Thanks, Peter. As John mentioned yesterday, we are always thinking about how to make our customers' lives better. And we're thinking a lot about how your markups, drawings, tool chest, and your work needs to move with you. We want our strength to be your strength everywhere you are. And this is why in 2022, we are bringing you more flexibility and utility by leveraging the next version of Review with Bluebeam's new powerful ecosystem of seamlessly connected, cloud-based, data-centric solutions. We are bringing you more mobility, interoperability, security, and easier ways to access your work. Ultimately, our mission is to empower you, our customers, to unlock more of your true potential because of Bluebeam. To learn more about our existing technology partnerships and to experience what's available today in Bluebeam Cloud, visit our global website at bluebeam.com. You can also connect with our product design and research teams right now in our virtual interactive zone. And to get even more involved, look out for early access opportunities where you can learn about and influence our future product direction. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to building our future together.